What's up, everybody? This is Brandon. You're watching Glassworks YouTube channel. Now, I know I hadn't posted anything in quite a while. I've been kind of working on other projects on the side. I've been recording video for. But today I'm going to make a quick video on how you can make a raised motor mount for an EK. Whether it be an automatic or a manual transmission, sedan, coupe, whatever you have, hatch. Now, I'm going to show you what I've got so far. Alright, this is the transmission mount on the passenger side. It sits on the firewall like this, or on the K-rail rather, or cross member, whatever you want to call it, frame rail, like this. Now, on the other mounts, on the rear mount for the transmission and the driver's side mount, all you have to do is add spacers and a longer bolt to raise it up. And I'm going to raise this up about 1.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm making a plate here, and I've already kind of marked the holes. What I'm doing is it's going to sit like this. I'm going to drill the normal holes out, and then I'm going to raise it up 1.5 inches like this. What I have to do first is I'm going to go ahead and weld this plate together. I didn't have any plate wide enough. So I'm going to go ahead and weld this plate together, and then I will show you it next. Alright, so I'm going to set the camera down. I don't have a tripod with me at the moment, so I'm going to weld this up, get it cleaned up, and then I'll show you the next steps. Alright, you can see I've got my holes marked for where I'm going to drill the mounts. These bottom holes are for the original bolts, and then that's for the new bolts that I'm going to cut and weld in at 1.5 inches above the originals. So I'm going to drill this out, then I'm going to get the bolts and get them cut, and then I'm going to weld them in all the secondary holes. And then what it'll have is it'll have a stud sticking through all the way around and have a nut on top of it to hold it in place. So let me get these pre-drilled, and then I'll slowly start stepping them up to the right size, and then I'll be back. I'll show you the next step. Alright, this is the 6 spacers for the driver's side mount, and those are also for the rear mount. It's 3 for the front, or I'm sorry, 3 for the driver's side, and then 3 for the back mount, and then this is the 3 for the transmission. Of course, it's not 100% complete yet because I still want to shape this plate, get rid of all these sharp corners, give it a better profile look, and get it painted, of course. But this is pretty much it. Now, next time you'll see this, I'll have it set up on the car, and I'll show you from there. So just stay tuned for the next video, and you actually see how it looks on the car. And at 1.5 inches, if there's any more future modifications that may be needed to be done, such as notching the frame rail or anything like that, we'll go over that as well, and I'll show you how to take care of that. Again, this is because my Civic's bagged. This will work on static cars as well. There's a couple different folks on YouTube that show how to make these. This is just kind of my own, do it myself. And like I said, if I need to go up, make it even bigger, I can remake this plate and then go up to maybe 1 3/4 to 2 inch lift. But right now, we're going to see what it looks like at 1.5 inches. But anyway, I appreciate you watching. If you're interested in, getting some of this or whatever, let me know. And, I can try to make you a kit if need be. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I appreciate it. We're not a big channel, but every little bit helps. So, again, appreciate it. Thanks for watching.